Today we're going to talk about the parsing order for nouns. And the first thing that the student needs to do is they need to be able to parse and talk about the order, and that they should have this memorized: noun, class, gender, number, office, and case. Now the first, of course, is the part of speech, and so they need to understand that there are 8 different parts of speech, and once they classify that, then they can begin to do the rest of the classifications. Now the class is going to be either a common noun or a proper noun. The boys are taught to look for the capitalized word. That's going to indicate the proper noun. The common noun is just going to be the general common noun itself. Gender, there are 4 choices: masculine, feminine, neuter, or either. And then number, there's going to be either singular or plural. Office, they're either going to be the subject of the sentence, or it's going to be the object of the sentence. If it's the subject of the sentence, then it's going to automatically be the nominative case, and if it's the object of the sentence, then it'll be in the objective case. So the one thing we look for is the object being in the objective case. So now if we take a look at this, the dog chased the cat, we're going to look for the verb first. We always double underline the verb, and we usually put a V over the top for verb. And this is analyzing the sentence. This would be parsing the sentence, the parsing order for that. Now, again, you ask what chased. Dog chased, so that would be a noun. And then, of course, the is an article, and so we normally would indicate that with article. The, here we would have article. And then cat is going to be another noun, person, place, or a thing. So once they've learned how to do that. Now, double underline the verb. They're going to look for the subject. To find the subject of the sentence, you ask who or what before the verb. Who chased or what chased? Dog chased. And so therefore that would be the subject of the sentence. We generally divide between the subject and the verb. This is the complete subject along with the complete verb. And then what we're going to do is look for, now we're going to go ahead and parse the word dog. Now that we put it up here, dog, and first of all we put the part of speech. Now of course we're parsing a noun, so we automatically know that we're going to use the word noun. And then we look for the class, common or proper. Now, since it's dog, it's lowercase, and obviously dog is a general class of dog, so we would say that it's a common noun. And I like to refer to it noun, class, gender. So now we look to the gender. We keep redoing this as we go across to help the students. So noun, class, gender. Dog could either be a male or a female, so it would be either gender. And then the next one, noun, class, gender, number. Now there's either one or there's going to be more than one. If there's more than one, of course, that's plural. Since there's only one in this case, it's going to be singular, singular. It's important that the students practice spelling each one of these words. The next one, noun, class, gender, number, office, would be, in this case, it's going to be the subject of the sentence. Dog chased. Object would be the cat. That would be on the objective case if we were parsing that. But in this case, we're parsing the word dog, and so that would be in the, it'll be the subject of the sentence. And as soon as you know it's the subject of the sentence, then you automatically know that it's the in the nominative case. So we, in essence, parsed this entire word used in this sentence, and you of course have to use it in a particular sentence to be able to do that. So dog would be it'd be a noun as its part of speech. It's common as its class. It's either in gender, singular, and then subject automatically means it's nominative. Again, subject is always going to be nominative. Object is always going to be in the objective case.